string beans, minced pork, light soy sauce, chili oil, and rice wine. First, what we have to do is we are going to remove the stem of the string beans like this. So this is how you do it. So first, there is a tip here. What we have to do is to remove this tip as possible as you can, and then we cut it into small pieces. Now we are going to slice the string beans into smaller strips. So this is how you do it. So first, you need to slice it like this to make it look into this kind of strips. And after that, you can have a really gorgeous looking dish. So something like this. After we have cut all the ingredients up, we are going to stir fry the ingredients. So first, we need to switch on some gas here. So make sure your pot is hot enough. Okay, this is just say hot enough. And then we are going to add the string beans to cook it, to stir fry it until all this. Stir fry this until they are all become wrinkly. Fine. After we have cooked this for a while, we add a bit oil to stir it and it will look something like this. And then we're going to take out this and then we're going to stir fry the minced pork. And now we are going to add the minced pork. after this, we're going to give a few portions of the minced pork like this, and then we'll add this back. Stir fry it. And then we add a little bit of water, tiny bit of water. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of 1 to 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce. And then we add half a tablespoon of the chili oil. To give it a better texture. Then we add a little bit of the rice oil. Stir fry the meat. And your stir-fried string beans is done.